Let's differentiate extensive and intensive properties. Dr. B here, and let's have a look. For substances, you measure some sort of property like, say, melting point. It doesn't matter how much sample you use. That number you get will still be the same. Other properties, it very much depends on how much you use. So the key to knowing this is that the word gives it away. Extensive. Hear the extent in that? That means it's amount dependent. Intensive, no. It doesn't matter how much you have, the property will still be the same. Consider the melting point of a drop of water versus a iceberg, right? That number will still be the same. It's an intensive property, so we'll just write IN for intensive. The mass of a substance is clearly amount dependent. If you have more, it will have a larger mass. Pretty easy, right? The density of a substance, does it matter how much of it you have? Well, it could matter how much you squeeze in there, but no, simply the amount does not matter. It's an intensive property. Refractive index, how much will a substance bend light? It doesn't matter how much you use. It's a fixed property for a given substance. It typically has to be a clear, solid substance, is what's usually measured anyhow, and that would give you that intensive property. Toxicity is a nice example of an extensive substance. It takes more, or more of a given substance will have a larger toxicity typically. Let's also consider whether a substance is crystalline or amorphous. So that's an easy one. This diamond is highly crystalline. This pill is just kind of opaque and not shiny. That's known as amorphous, that dull sort of appearance. Okay, this is extensive and intensive properties.